In this video, we will be reviewing schedules as a part of menu setup. Schedules allow us to pre-appoint when items like menu sets, combos, or price levels activate within the Volanté system. Schedules are very useful because we can plan for an activation of a menu set, combo, or price level well in advance of the event. Schedules are quite similar to calendar events. To begin working with schedules, first navigate to the menu setup function from your back office home screen. From here, we select the Schedules tab, and you will see that your view is split into three. On the left-hand side, you have your global menu items list. In the middle, we see all your schedule titles, and on the right-hand side, you have a schedule details area. Let's touch upon an existing schedule. When we select it, we will see it highlighted in blue, and everything on the right-hand side in the schedule details area will pertain to this selected schedule. The schedule configuration area shows you a calendar view of your schedule as well as a summary of time intervals listed underneath the schedule. To set up a new schedule, right-click in the schedule titles area and select New Schedule. Give your schedule an appropriate name. I'm going to create a lunch schedule labeled Lunchtime that is active during 12 noon and 4 p.m. Now that we've created our schedule, it's time to add schedule details to it. In the calendar view to the right, click on a day in the month view. You can then click on any time interval within the day, and this will bring up a calendar details window. Here you can fill in additional information about the time interval for your schedule. Starting on asks you when your schedule should start, including the date and at what time. Repeat every allows you to choose between repeat every number of weeks or repeat every number of months. Depending on your choice, you will notice the rest of the calendar details window changes slightly. If you've chosen to repeat every number of weeks, you will see a repeat on area, asking you to select which days of the week your schedule should repeat on. If you've chosen repeat every number of months, you will then see an option to fill in a date for repeat interval start and a time, and repeat interval end and a time. Ending on asks you when your schedule should end, including the date and at what time. Once you've filled in the information in this window, you can expect to see the schedule reflected in the calendar view on the right. I want my lunchtime schedule to occur every day between 12 p.m. and 4 p.m. I want this to repeat every day of the week, and I want it to continue on for the next 4 months. How would I do this? Let's set our starting date to April 1st, 2022 at 12 noon. We can use the calendar button to make this selection. My repeat every option will be set to 1 week because I want it to repeat every week with no breaks in between, and I want it repeated every day of the week, so I will select all the weekdays with these checkboxes. My repeat interval start and repeat interval end will be set to 12 p.m. and 4 p.m. respectively. These interval time sets are in 24 hours, so 12 p.m. would be 12 o'clock and 4 p.m. would be 15:59. Lastly, I want my schedule to end 4 months after my start date, so that would be the end of July 2022. I can use the calendar button to make this selection, or I can simply type it in the format that it requests. The month, the day, and the year. Make sure to select your end time as well. After you've made all your changes, you can press the Done button to save them. Always make sure to check your schedule details in the calendar view to ensure everything looks like how you want it to be set up. Starts on April 1st. And ends on July 31st. That's expected. You will also notice a row has appeared in your scheduled summary window over here, indicating there is a time interval assigned for this schedule. You can assign multiple time intervals under a single schedule. To do so, you would simply click the schedule you want it assigned to so that it's highlighted in blue, and then like before, click in a week view and on a time interval to bring up the schedule details pop-up and fill in your relevant time information. Every time you add a new time interval, it will be reflected in your schedule summary window. It is possible to change your time interval details in the summary window. You can right-click on the time interval you want, and the calendar details window will pop up again for you to make any changes you want. Now that we've set up the schedule's details, let's look at how we can schedule items. There are three kinds of items that can be active during a schedule: a combo item, a menu set item, and a price level item. To activate a combo item to be active during a schedule, navigate to the Menu Item tab and select a combo item. With the combo item selected, right-click and select Set Schedules. A pop-up window will appear asking you to select which schedule to apply this combo to. Let's select the lunchtime schedule in this instance. Once you've made your selection, press Save at the bottom of the pop-up window. Now let's navigate back to our lunchtime schedule under the Schedules tab and double-check if our combo item has been assigned correctly. Select your existing schedule, and on the right-hand side, select Schedule Items. When we expand the menu in the combo area located over here, we can see our combo menu item has been added in and applied to the schedule. It is possible to assign multiple combo items to a single schedule. Another way to select a combo item for an existing schedule is to stay in the Schedules tab over here and then click, drag, and drop the combo item from the global menu items list into the combo area. For example, let's say I wanted to also add in my buy one, get one $2 off burger combo into my lunch schedule. I could click the combo, drag, and drop it into the combos area, and then it would get applied to the schedule. Let's now take a look at how to assign a menu set and a price level to an existing schedule. To assign a menu set, navigate to the Quick Menu tab. From the menu set titles located on the right-hand side, select the menu you want assigned to your schedule so that it is highlighted in blue. Right-click and select Set Schedules. Like before, we're going to choose which schedule to apply this menu set to from the pop-up window list. Make your selection and press Save. To assign a price level item to a schedule, navigate to the Price Level tab. From the price level titles located in the middle of the screen, select the price level you want assigned to your schedule so that it is highlighted in blue. Right-click and select Set Schedules. Select the schedule you want this price level assigned to and press Save. Stepping back into the Schedules tab, when we select our lunchtime schedule and look at its schedule items, we can see that our menu set and our price level have been correctly assigned. In order to save these changes, we would need to complete a data sync. Let's navigate back to the Volanté home screen, go to our data sync function, send updates to terminals, and then select our menu setup area in order to save our schedules. Once that's selected, click OK and wait for the pending message to change to a success message. And there you have it. That's how we set up and configure schedules in Volanté. Thank you for watching.